Hello guys, welcome to my channel Excel in English. Today we will solve 10th class English practice paper code B provided by Haryana Board of School Education Bhiwani. First of all, comprehension, passage number 1, and the passage is, it took 3 long years for my coming into existence. First question, when did euro come into worldwide acceptance? Answer is on 1st January 2002. Second, euro was accepted without opposition. Is this statement true or false? Answer is false. Third, name the sibling rivalries in the family of euro. Answer, dollar in America, lira in Italy and sterling. Fourth question, what is the present status of euro? आंसर है पैराग्राफ से, नाउ यूरो enjoys a place of pride among all the currencies in the world and almost everyone accepts it freely. Fifth question, find a word from the passage which means envious. Answer is jealous. Second paragraph, education for special children. First question is, who are the special children referred to here? Answer, special children are those who are cruelly segregated from the society. Second question, why is education important for such children? Answer is, special children without education are a burden on their families as well as society, so education is important for them. Third question, which factors are responsible for hindering the path of education for such children? Answer, factors which are hindering the path of education for such children is the lack of opportunities or facilities available in schools. Fourth question, what must be done in order to enable the disabled? Answer, government should start the integrated system of education that enables the disabled to study with normal children in normal circumstances with few facilities in them. Fifth, find out the word from the passage which means the same as separate. Answer is segregated. Next paragraph, fire has been worshipped in ancient culture worldwide. Question, what did Prometheus do? Answer, he brought fire down to earth for human use. Second, what does darkness represent? Answer, darkness represents the region of the evil spirit. Third, how does fire act when it is under control and when it is out of control? Answer is, it is compassionate when controlled, but it is merciless in destruction when out of control. Fourth question, how is it used in the service of human beings? Answer, it is used in cooking, in forging plows and swords, in kilns, for building houses, etc. Fifth question, find the word from the passage which means gradual development. Answer is evolution. Next we will do grammar section, attempt any 12. First part, fill in the blanks with correct form of verbs. You dash watch TV since morning. आंसर में आएगा have been watching. आप सुबह से टीवी देख रहे हो. सेकेंड, snake dash not eat dead rats. snake मरे हुए चूहों को नहीं खाता, does not eat. थर्ड, I dash the lunch. फिनिश भरना है आपको. I have finished the lunch. मैंने लंच कर लिया है, खत्म कर दिया है. Second part, combine the following sentences using relative clause. I know a person, the person stole your bike. Answer, I know a person who stole your bike. I know the person. I know the person who stole your bike. Second, bring me a glass, it is lying on the table. Answer, bring me the glass which is lying on the table, yeah, that is lying on the table. C, he lives somewhere I do not know. Answer, I don't know where he lives. Third part, use infinitive or gerund. First, let us go out for shop का आएगा shopping, gerund आएगा. Second, he made me dash my mistake, realize का realize आएगा, infinitive without to. C, he would rather die than beg, die का die आएगा. Fourth question, fill in the blanks with suitable modals. फर्स्ट, इट डैश रेन टुडे, इट में रेन टुडे, आज बारिश होने की संभावना है, बारिश हो सकती है. सेकेंड, द स्टूडेंट डैश ओबे देयर टीचर्स, बच्चों को टीचर्स का कहना मानना चाहिए, मस्ट. सेकेंड. थर्ड, वॉक फास्ट लेस्ट यू डैश मिस द ट्रेन। तेज चलो वरना ट्रेन मिस हो जाएगी, शुड। फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, चेंज द फॉलोइंग इनटू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच। ही सेज आई एम गोइंग टू करनाल, आंसर ही सेज दैट ही इज गोइंग टू करनाल। सेकेंड, he said to me, work hard if you want to pass. He advised me to work hard if I wanted to pass. Next, the coach said, bravo, well done boys. Answer, the coach applauded boys saying that they had done well. Next, insert article if required. This box is made of wood. Wood material noun है तो कुछ नहीं आएगा, no article. Next, dash rice that we had for our dinner was delicious. The rice. C, I always prefer to give a useful gift. मैं हमेशा एक useful gift देना पसंद करता हूँ या करती हूँ। Next, fifth question, read the following passage, answer the question that follow. ये आपकी बुक से हैं, फर्स्ट फ्लाइट से। पहला पैराग्राफ है, suddenly I came out of the clouds. क्वेश्चन है, what did the narrator see when he came out of the clouds? Answer, he saw two long straight lines of lights in front of him. It was a runway. Second, why did the narrator turn back? narrator ने पीछे मुड़कर क्यों देखा? He turned to look for his friend in the black aeroplane. Third, what did the narrator ask the woman in the control center? Answer, the narrator asked the woman in the control center where he was. I को he में change करेंगे and who the other pilot was. Fourth, what made the woman in the control room look at the narrator strangely? Answer, because there was not any other aeroplane flying that night which the narrator was asking about. क्योंकि कोई और प्लेन आसमान में उस रात नहीं उड़ रहा था जिसके बारे में नरेटर पूछ रहा था, इसीलिए वुमेन ने उसको हैरानी से देखा। फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, फाइंड अ वर्ड फ्रॉम द पैसेज विच मीन्स क्वियर। आंसर इज स्ट्रेंज। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, paragraph, the days passed peacefully at Basra. Question number 1, who was Miss? Where did the author want to take him? Answer, Miss was an author. The author wanted to take him to England. Second, what flight did he book and why? Answer, the British airline to London would not fly animals, so he booked a flight to Paris on another airline and from there to London. Third, what did the airline insist on? Answer, the airline insisted that Miss should be packed into a box not more than 18 inches square to be carried on the floor at his feet. Fourth question, what did the author do an hour before he started and why? Answer, he had a box made and an hour before they started, he put Miss into the box so that he would become accustomed to it and left for a hurried meal. Fifth question, find word in the passage that mean get used to something. Answer, accustomed. Next, all I think about I am with friends. Question number 1, who is I in these lines? Answer, Annie Frank. Second, what does she talk about when she is with friends? Answer, she can't bring herself to talk about anything but ordinary everyday things. What problem does she have with regard to her friends? Answer, she doesn't seem to be able to get any closer and that's the problem. Fourth, what does she call to be her fault? Answer, she can't confide in any of her friends. Fifth question, why has she started writing a diary? Answer, because she doesn't have any good friends to confide in. उसके कोई अच्छे दोस्त नहीं है जिन पर वो विश्वास कर सके, इसलिए वो डायरी लिखना शुरू करती है। Next we will do 8th question. Read the stanza given below and answer the questions. First stanza is, he hears the last voice at night. Question number 1, name the poem and the poet. Answer, A Tiger in the Zoo by Leslie Norris. Second, who does he refer to? Answer, a tiger in the zoo. Third, how do his eyes look? His eyes look brilliant. Fourth question, at what does he look at night? रात को क्या देखता है? He looks at the shining star. चमकते हुए सितारों को देखता है. Fifth, what sound does the tiger hear at night? रात को कौन सी आवाज सुनता है? Answer, of patrolling cars. गश्त लगाती हुई या चलती हुई सड़क पर दौड़ती हुई गाड़ियों की आवाज सुनता है. नेक्स्ट stanza है, Don't bite your nails, Amanda. And question number 1 is name the poem and the poet. Answer Amanda poem है written by Robin Klein. Second question, what is Amanda doing to her nails? वो अपने nails के साथ क्या कर रही है? She is biting her nails. Nails कुतर रही है. C, what does she do to her shoulders? कंधों के साथ क्या करती है? She is hunching her shoulders. वो अपने कंधे उचका रही है. Fourth question, in which posture is she sitting? She is sitting in slouching posture. Fifth, find a word from the passage which means same as crouching. Answer is slouching. So here finish our 1 mark questions. The rest is subjective part. You can practice well for your upcoming English exam. All the best. Thank you. Now like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you.